Today we are going to make Masala Chai. This is a very simple Masala Chai, and Masala Mama's daughter, who lives in another country, asked for a recipe, so this is for you, Masala daughter. We're going to start with 2.5 cups of water. We're going to place it in a small pot and put it over high heat to bring it to a boil. I only add 2 ingredients for a really nice aroma, some green cardamom and this star anise. Pretty much people have their own recipe for this. This is mine. It's very, very simple. So you're going to take all your green cardamoms. You can crush them in a mortar and pestle if you like, but you can just open them up and put them in. A lot of people put in fennel seeds. They put in cinnamon sticks. They put in ginger. There are so many varieties of masala chai. Even mint. You can throw in some mint if you like. But my masala chai is very, very simple. Next, you're going to add your tea. Typically, you use loose leaf tea. I don't have that, so I'm going to use my own tea bags that I use all the time. And I'm going to cut them open and put them in the boiling water. For this, for 2.5 cups of water, I used 3 tea bags. The thing with masala chai is that it does require a few minutes extra of your time to make it. To let it sit there, simmer, bring it to a boil, adjust the heat. Once it's boiling for about 1 minute after you've put in the tea bag, you are going to bring the heat down and you're going to continue simmering this for about 5 minutes. Then you're going to add your milk. For this, please use whole milk. Don't use skim milk. Whole milk gives it a really good body, as they say. And now on low-medium heat, you're going to cook this a little bit. When I say cook, I mean boil. It's up to you if you want to put sugar at the end individually in your cups. I'm just going to add it to my tea. I like my masala chai not too strong or kadak. If you want it strong or kadak, you want to continue cooking this until this almost becomes half. And that's going to give you a very, very concentrated flavor of tea. Add as much or as little milk as you like. I thought my tea was a little dark, so I added some more milk. And now the fun part of masala chai, you're going to strain this. Get a most beautiful cup and you're going to strain your masala chai. And in my opinion, this is the simplest, most flavorful chai that you can make every day. My most loved flavor is the green cardamom. I love green cardamom. So this is your simple masala chai. If you are Indian or Pakistani, you know what malai is. This is something I got from my local Persian store, and it's just cream. You just add a teaspoon or 2 of it in your tea, in your masala chai, and you mix it and you drink it. It has a really lovely creamy flavor. You can also add my 5-spice powder to kick it up a notch. And you can see all the ingredients that I have. It has fennel in it. It tastes really nice. You don't need a lot. A couple of pinches. Mix it and you will get a really lovely flavor in your masala chai. I hope you liked my video on masala chai. Masala daughter, I hope you liked it as well. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok channel. I post there almost every day.